making. Grano di dinero is good for all, but mostly if you want to make a pasta, then of course the best way is to use grano duro. So I will be making like this. A pasta. So we have here. So we're ready to use this one. I have to move this one a bit, and then I have to show you first. I'm gonna take it out. There. Okay, so this is the cutter for the spaghetti, and this is the cutter for linguine. So I'm gonna put it here. I don't need to use this one to screw here because I can't control it. This will be the roller. I'll be putting it here. Going to roll it here. Okay, so like here. Now first I have to roll this one here. So make sure that your pasta is totally thin so it can get inside. If you can see this clearly, there are some like line sheet there, and we have to make it smooth. I have to move the sheets. There's actually a number here. I would like to let you see the numbering. They're numbering here from 1 to 7. 1 to 7, where 1 is the more space and 7 is less, thinner, the thinnest one. So we don't need more flour here because our pasta is quite not sticky, not too dry. Just the regular one. So I will move to number 7. I will move to less. Okay. So the sheet. Next, another one.